tomorrow. I'll live with delight, feed the horses, chop the wood, chase the morning light. I'll walk through gardens, breathe in the air, with fields of green, love everywhere. Starting tomorrow, I'll write to my own, telling them stories of joy I have known. And like lightning flashing across the night, happiness speaks, and I'll share its light. Give every river and mountain a name, sing to the sky, let love remain. Strangers I'll meet, may blessings find you, a bright tomorrow and love that is true. Through all the storms, through all the strife, may find joy in this beautiful life. No gold, no fame, just peace in my heart. With waves of the ocean, I'll make a new start. Seasons may change, but this dream will stay, facing the sea where flowers sway. Give every river and mountain name, sing to the sky, let love remain. Strangers I meet, may blessings find you, a bright tomorrow, the love that is true. Through all the storms, through all the strife, may find joy in this beautiful life. Oh, life. I'll stand by the shore, watch the sunlight with open arms,